Welcome to the lecture, guys. As I said in my previous lecture, we're going to be working with file handling in this lecture. So we're going to see how to read or write data into the file. Before doing that, I've already created a file in my G drive, named it as test, which is a text file. And let's get started. Let's see how you can read or write into the file. So before that, you need to have a file object which handles all the file operations like read or write. And to do that, you need to specify the object name. I'll just keep it as file in here, and then equals to, and then you're going to use an inbuilt function called open. And this function is going to take two parameters. So firstly, the path to the file. So in here, my file is located in G drive and it's named as test.txt. And then the second parameter would be the mode in which the file needs to be opened. Let's say you want to add data into the file, so you can open it in write mode. And if you want to read the information from the file, you can open it in read mode. Now, since there is no information in the file, let's see if we can write some data into it. So I'm going to open it in write mode. And then now you've created the file object. To write data into the file, you just have to specify the file object and a period, and then write the function write. And this is also an inbuilt function, so write the function write, and then you just have to specify what the data would be. So I'll just give it, this is my first file, right? So that's the number of bytes that has been written into the file. Now, to read the data from the file, you have to open it in read mode. Now you need to close the file and then reopen it in read mode. Remember, whenever you've done all the file operation, you very much indeed needed to close the file. Yeah. So close the file, open it again in read mode. So specify the path to the file, which is G drive text, and then open it in read mode. Right, and now to read a file, so just type file object and then read, and it can take a parameter. It can take the number of bytes you want to read. Let's say you want to read 10 bytes of data, which is already in there. So that's going to read 10 bytes from the beginning, and that's 10 bytes from there. And if you want to read the complete thing, you don't have to specify any parameters there. So that's the next, that's the thing from the after 10 bytes. If you didn't specify anything here, it would have read the complete file. But since it has already read 10 bytes, it's gonna take the cursor from there till the end of the file. So that's all for this lecture, guys. In our next lecture, let's talk more about reading and writing the files. And also let's see how to move the cursor to end of the file or to the beginning of the file. And I'll see you guys in my next lecture. Bye.